I love you, Bunny Rabbit. This is Micah's rabbit. Her name is Bunny Rabbit. She has no fur. She is made of stuffed flannel. She has eaten applesauce. She has drunk chocolate milk. She has swum in mud puddles. She has been thoroughly chewed. It is time, Micah's mama says, to wash this rabbit. Don't worry, Micah kisses Bunny Rabbit. I've had lots of baths. They're not so bad. Micah climbs up on his stool. Mama fills the wash basin with warm water. Micah pours in some sweet-smelling soap. The water is very sudsy. Here we go. Very gently, he puts Bunny Rabbit into the water. Does her head go under the water? Micah asks. I don't think she can hold her breath. Mama smiles. No, we'll wipe it off with a washcloth the way we do yours, but we won't touch her ears until I mend them. They look as if they just dissolve in the water. How long will she have to soak? A few minutes, Mama answers. She takes a nail brush and scrubs the stains. Let's take her out now, please. She's cold. Micah squeezes Bunny Rabbit. The applesauce is still there. The chocolate milk is still there. The puddle mud is still there. We'll wait until she's dry, Mama says. The next morning, Mama says, Bunny Rabbit is a mess. The stains are still there. Her ears won't mend. The flannel is worn to the stuffing. It is time, Micah, to buy a new rabbit. Mama buttons up Micah's sweater. She pulls on his high red boots. Yesterday it rained. Don't worry. Micah tucks Bunny Rabbit into the pocket of his sweater. Don't worry, because I love you, Bunny Rabbit. On the way to the toy store, Micah jumps over a puddle. Mama, sometimes boys and girls fall right into the middle of a mud puddle. Micah stares up at Mama. He takes her hand. They go to the toy store. Over there, the salesperson points to the wall. You'll find a zoo of stuffed animals. Micah pats Bunny Rabbit. Don't worry, he whispers. Micah's mama takes his hand. They stand and look. There are many, many rabbits. Big ones and little ones. Flop-eared ones and lop-eared ones. White ones with pink eyes. Brown ones with black eyes. Some have clothes on and some don't. Some are wearing glasses and some are not. Some are lying down and some are sitting up. and some are standing. Take your time. Mama unbuttons Micah's sweater. I don't want a new rabbit. Thank you. He looks up at Mama. She looks down at him. A bunny rabbit is a mess, Micah. I know, answers Micah. He pulls Bunny Rabbit from his pocket. He presses her against his chest. I love you, Bunny Rabbit, he says very quietly. Mama is standing very still. She buttons up Micah's sweater. Would you like a milkshake? Her voice is soft and quiet. She smooths the hair away from Micah's eyes. Yes, please. Micah tucks Bunny Rabbit back into his pocket. On the way home, Micah says, sometimes I get very sticky drinking milkshakes. He shakes his finger in the air. And sometimes you say, ugh, you look so messy, Micah. Mama stops. She takes Micah in her arms. I love you, Micah Gregory, Mama whispers. I love you too. And Bunny Rabbit, Micah shouts. The end. Please subscribe.